Hey guys, it's me, Jacob here.
Oh yeah, and it's Millie. Fairies.
Today we're just going to be, sorry if there's a dog in the background, we're just going to be showing you how to make white tack into like kind of slime, like really soft, because now I have got a bench but I've just left out, like it's over there. Just can't be really getting it. So I need to get the soap, and then, because it's normally hard, no, I just need to make it very soft. Don't know. Okay, I'll be back right now.
I'll just be on here.
Got soap. You can use like fairy liquid on.
Yeah.
Also different soaps. We're using iMac right now. Okay, it's gonna be really nice.
I know.
And you just keep on kneading it. Like, seeing if you had like little bits of it,
Yeah.
it would go away. Like, takes a couple of time. Wait, I saw fairy liquid in the cupboard.
Can you get it?
Yeah, go and get it. It's underneath the sink in that cupboard. In the like nice posh. No, in the kitchen. The big kitchen, the massive kitchen. Not the other kitchen, the big kitchen. If you're wondering why I'm saying the other kitchen, it's because we've got two kitchens because we have a massive house. Yeah, so I'm just kneading it. It's a little bit soft now. It's softening up. But that soap there, guys, isn't really doing anything. It's a bath.
Will this be okay?
Yeah.
Do we need to open it?
That's water.
It's not.
Why is it so runny then?
I don't know.
That is not fairy liquid. Hold it.
That's all we can get.
Yeah, guys, it's getting really soft.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
Like
getting
slime?
Yeah. It's like slime, but it's not actually slime, if you know what I mean.
It's just white.
Yeah, guys, and if you had found white tack and you had little bits in it, and you put some soap in it, it would go away.
This is how you do it. So you normally get white tack,
I have
and then
got
you
a
get
bunch of blue
soap
tack at
and
home.
fairy liquid. That's all you need. White
It's
tack.
just any tack and blue tack or whatever, anything
Yeah.
like this. But do you know what would be the best, guys? I'm Millie.
White tack.
Is putting slime in it.
Oh yeah. I have slime at home.
Anybody want a pack of Pompers? Crisps.
Yeah, okay.
Just talking to our friend. We've just been out on our scooters today, guys. Can you subscribe as well and comment down below what video you want me to do next? What about what?
It's thing for them. Just a big thing.
You guys, it's getting really soft. Feel it. Thank you. So
That's our breakfast today.
it's really stretchy.
Just open that's not our breakfast.
It's really stretchy. Oh no.
That's not
Yeah,
our
guys,
breakfast.
if you
That's
put if you've got any white tack, blue tack, don't drink it. Yeah, guys, and then you put some slime into it.
But I like it.
And
Look,
then
that
you
little boy running. See that boy?
And then you put some any tack, and you put some slime into it. It'll be really nice. Ooh. Guys, we just went for a second. Right, we're going to be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back, guys. Oh, wait, we're gonna be back in 3, 2, 1.
Just a second.
Ah! Did you hear that bubble then?
Need it.
Let me have a look. Yeah. Like slime.
It's turning into slime, is it? We will put that crunching sound into it. If you can't hear it.
Hear it? But I actually did make a crunchy noise then. Right, I think I was gonna go activate it, to be fair.
I think it's going to activate in a minute.
Look at that doggy, he's so cute.
Okay,
Welsh collies are so cute.
I'm just going to give
They
him
have
a
got a
hug.
pug as well,
I'm just going to give him a hug.
and a French bulldog. Okay, so guys, we've got some bad news. Oh yeah, I've got
What's the bad news?
bubble shoes on there, big maxes. Big maxes, they're called.
I need to
We might have to. It's the end of the video now. So make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment down below what video you want me to do next. So
So,
bye.
bye.